You cannot buy the N.O.W frames from Lindberg. Their N.O.W titanium collection from Lindberg. You can't. The N.O.W titanium collection is characterized by a design flaw that has been ignored by the Lindberg Company, even though the negative feedback has existed for over 2 years. The thin composite that makes up the front of the frame is 2 millimeters thick. To understand the defects, one has to begin to know how the prescription is inserted and fits into the frame. So the prescription lenses have to be grooved and then installed using a cold mount method, because if you use heat on that thin composite, it completely deforms. And when the cold mount method is used, it begins to create micro fissures on that material. And then as time goes on and the eyeglasses are worn, these micro fissures expand and are soon viewed as cracks by the wearer. The second design flaw now is where the titanium temple and the 2 millimeter composite meet at the temporal edge of the front of the frame. Regular wear and tear caused by the natural opening and closing of the temple hinge causes the stress fractures that quickly turn into cracks at the little meeting point. The unfortunate conclusion: yes, they have 4 different nose pad choices. Yes, the N.O.W Lindberg frame collection are lightweight. Yes, the Lindberg Company has designed genius frames in the past. Yes, yes, yes. Bottom line, don't buy the Lindberg N.O.W titanium frames.